Good morning, students. Till now, we understood about how to add rational number and subtraction of rational number. Now we will move our topic of two rational numbers, then their product. Product means multiply, that is P by Q into R by S. We write it as P into R, that is product of both numerator upon product of both denominator, or we write it as PR by QS here. For example, see here, suppose two rational number are given here. It is 3 by 7 into 5 by 4. So how to multiply these? That 3 both numerator multiply product 3 into 5, or both denominator product 7 into 4. Now multiply it. 3 5s are 15, 7 4s are 28. Check here, is it possible to cancel both of these new numbers on any one table? If not possible, then this is our answer. Now on basis of that, here are some properties. That our first property is here closure property. Closure property tells us that if two rational numbers are multiplied to each other and their product, we get PR by QS is also a rational number. For example, see here 3 by 2 into 5 by 4. Then product of both numerator 3 5s are 15, or both denominator 2 4s are 8 is also a rational number. Or other words, we can say if product of two rational numbers we get answer again in rational number form, then we can say our closure property satisfied here. Now number 2, our commutative property. Commutative property tells us that in same manner that if two rational numbers are here P by Q and R by S, the product of P by Q and R by S is equal to R by S into P by Q, then our commutative property holds good here. So on basis of that, see here example. That example is here. Check if minus 8 by 9 multiplied by minus 4 by 7 is equal to minus 4 by 7 multiplied with minus 8 by 9 or not. For this solution, first of all take left hand side. Left hand side is our minus 8 by 9 multiply minus 4 by 7. Now under multiplication we know that minus minus become plus here, and the numerators, both of these numerator multiply with each other. 8 4s are 32, and both denominator multiply to each other. 9 7s are 63 here. Now this is our solution of left hand side. Now take right hand side. Minus 4 by 7 into minus 8 by 9. In same manner, minus minus become plus. 4 8s are numerator multiplied here. 4 8s are 32. Now again 7 9s are 63. So check, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our commutative property holds good under multiplication. Now after that our next property is here associative property. Associative property. As in commutative property we take two rational numbers, similarly we have to, in under associative property we have to take three rational numbers, suppose P by Q, R by S and T by U. So we can say the multiplication of rational number is associative if P by Q, the product of P by Q and R by S is multiplied with T by U, and P by Q is multiplied with the product of R by S and T by U here. For this, see here one example. We have to check if 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7 multiply with 4 by 5 equal to 2 by 3 multiply with the product of minus 6 by 7 into 4 by 5 or not here. Same manner, solution. First of all we have to take left hand side. Left hand side value is our 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7 into 4 by 5. Now this one left hand side we have to solve in two manners. Either we have to solve this firstly bracket portion then multiply with 4 by 5, or other manner, the solution of this one, firstly we have to cancel in this bracket if any number is cancelled with any other number. So first of all see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 here. So 2, what is remained here, 2 into minus 2 by 7 into 4 by 5. Over here you have to put 1 here. Now again multiply, numerator multiply with numerator, 2 twos are 4, or no sign is there then we consider it as positive here. So plus minus become minus upon 7 into 4 by 5. Now again multiply, it become minus of 16 by 35. Now take right hand side, 2 by 3 multiply with minus 6 by 7 into 4 by 5. Solve this, 2 by 3 into the bracket portion, 6 4s are 24, but minus plus become minus upon 35. Now solve this again, it become again 2 24s are minus 48 upon 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, 105. Now check, is it cancel on any other table? So cancel it. So 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, it's cutting on 35. So what is remained, minus 16 by 35. Now check left hand side or right hand side, both value are equal, as left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say our associative property holds good. Now fourth property, that existence of multiplicative identity, or we can say role of 1 here. Under this it's very simple, we can say if P by Q is any rational number, when that rational number is multiplied with 1 or 1 is multiplied with P by Q, in both the condition all the times we get the answer is P by Q here. So a rational number, or other words we can say a rational number multiplied by 1 is the rational number itself. Now after that, our fifth property, existence of multiplicative inverse, or multiplicative inverse that, keep in mind, reciprocal. Under this, suppose we can say P by Q is a non-zero rational number. Non-zero rational number. Non-zero means zero नहीं है. Where Q is not equal to zero, then there exists a rational number Q by P such that the product of P by Q and Q by P equal to 1, or product of Q by P is equal to P by Q, where Q by P is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of P by Q. For example, suppose we have to write the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. So just simple here, when we reciprocal this number, no need to shift this sign in denominator, write down this sign as it is on same place, just reciprocal of that 13 by 19, it become minus 19 by 13, and this is our multiplicative inverse of minus 19 by 30. You can also check is our answer right or not. For this we know that the product of these numbers should be equal to 1. So check minus 13 by 19 is multiplied when minus 19 by 13. Minus minus become plus, 19 cancel with 19, 13 cancel with 13. Only plus 1 is remained here. So our verification done here. So on basis of that, some notes you keep in your mind. That first note, if Q by P is the multiplicative inverse of P by Q, then P by Q is also the multiplicative inverse of Q by P. The second point, that 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. The third point, reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is minus of 1. Now after that, our sixth property, that multiplication of or multiplication by 0. Suppose here we have a rational number P by Q. When it multiply with 0 or 0 is multiplied with P by Q, so all the time we get both product equal to 0. Or other words, we can say every rational number when multiplied with 0 gives 0. Now see here our seventh property. This is very important. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So the multiplication of rational number is distributive over addition. So we can say if P by Q, R by S and T by U are three rational numbers, then P by Q into sum of R by S and T by U will equal to the product of P by Q and R by S plus the product of P by Q and T by U. For learning this property, here is a very simple method, that this first P by Q multiply with R by S, then plus sign, and again P by Q is multiply with T by U here. We can verify it with the help of example. Verify that 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 here. So first of all we will take here left hand side here. Left hand side is given here 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 here. So first of all we have to solve the bracket portion. 3 by 4 write down as it is. Now take LCM of 3 and 6. We get LCM as 6. Now 6 divided by 3 we get 2. 2 is multiply with minus 1, minus of 2 plus 5 here. Now 3 by 4 multiply with, solve this bracket portion, 5 minus 2, 3 by 6 here. Now solve this. We get 3 3s are 9, 4 6 are 24. Also you cancel it on table 3. 3 3s are 3 8s are, we get 3 by 8 here. Now take right hand side. Right hand side, it is given here 3 by 4 multiply minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 multiply 5 by 6 here. So first of all solve first bracket. 3 multiply with minus 1, it become minus of 3. 4 multiply with 3, it become 12 here. Plus solve here again, 3 5s are 15 and 4 6 are 24. Now take LCM of both these rational number, it become 24. 24 divided by 12 we get 2. 2 is multiply with minus 3, minus of 6 here, plus 15. Again we get, solve this both numerator, minus plus 9 by 24. Now cancel, when you cancel it, it becomes 3 by 8. So now see here, our left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So as left hand side is equal to right hand side, so we can say 3 by 4 multiply minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. As in seventh property, we use here the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Similarly, we can check distributive property of multiplication, over subtraction. In previous seventh property we see additions, and now we have to see here the subtraction here. So similarly, if P by Q and R by S and t by u are three rational number, then we can write distributive property of multiplication over addition, that p by q multiply with r by s minus t by u will equal to p by q into r by s minus the product of p by q into t by u here. As I solved seventh property with an example, similarly you can solve this property with the help of example here. Example, 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 5 minus 7 by 10 is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into minus 7 by plus 7 by 10 here. Now see here, you may take minus sign in between of them. No need to take minus sign again with 7 by 10 here. Now on basis of that you can try it yourself. Now see example. In example we have to verify that minus of x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15. सी इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है कि जस्ट वेरीफाई करना है कि माइनस ऑफ माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स है या नहीं, जहां x की वैल्यू क्या है 11 by 15. फॉर दिस सॉल्यूशन व्हाट वी कैन डू, एज x वैल्यू गिवन है 11 by 15, देन माइनस ऑफ x क्या बन जाएगा इसका, just take minus sign with 11 by 15. Now we have to find, already we found minus x, now we have to find minus of minus x. It means minus sign write down as it is and minus x value write down in bracket, that is minus 11 by 15. Now open this bracket and we know that if outside of bracket negative sign is there, then inner sign will be changed, so it become plus 11 by 15, which is equal to x here. So our verification done here. Now see here example, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of -7 by 16. इस तरह क्वेश्चन में जस्ट क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट पढ़नी है ध्यान से कि क्या गिवन है और क्या करना है. सो इन दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ सी वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई this 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of -7 by 16. So need to here firstly find the reciprocal of -7 by 16. Reciprocal word very clear, that just convert numerator in denominator and denominator convert into numerator here. So it become -60 by 7 here. Now they said multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of -7 by 16, that we get here -16 by 7. Now product 6 multiply with -16, it become minus of 96 and 13 sevens are 91. That's our answer here. Similarly, one more example, that find the multiplicative inverse of -8 by 5 into -7 by 3 here. So क्या निकालना है इसमें, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स मीन्स कि जो गिवन नंबर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देना, ताकि गिवन नंबर को रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर प्रोडक्ट हमारी क्या आ जाए, 1 आ जाए. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्टली नीड टू हैव टू सोल्व दिस स्टेटमेंट. सो सोल्व हियर दिस प्रोडक्ट. So minus become multiply with minus, it become plus 8 sevens are 56 and 5 threes are 15. This is the solution of this given state, this problem here. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this, and this solution we get here 56 by 15. So multiplicative inverse means just reciprocal of this value, that is 15 by 56. That's our answer. So on basis of that, solve this assignment, and if you face any problem then comment me in my box here and I will solve your problem. Thank you and have a nice day.